Hello everyone. This is episode 3. This will be framing. Show you how we're looking here. I think this part right here is going to get stick-on stone. The beige color stick-on stone. I think we're going to do that here. Right here is for a real big window, really big window here for the washer and dryer will sit right behind those. Everything's nice and level. Let's see, looks like he's added a window over here. I didn't know about that one, but it's like a window's going in right there. Nice large door right here. Okay. I want to point out, look how nice we turned out here. The floor ended up exactly where we wanted it, within 1/8 of an inch. Nice and level. There will be a bathroom right here, small half bath, not real small. Be a shower in here. There's how he's made the headers out of 2x12s. This one's 3 2x6s, a piece of barnwood over there. This one's 3 2x12s with a piece of 3/4 inch plywood.
Stick around. There's a lot more coming. We're installing the metal roof, gutters, drywall, flooring, windows and doors, even tile work. And that's just the start. Don't miss the rest of this awesome build.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna show you how the shifter feels, 'cause tonight is the night that we make it real. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. You better hold on to the leather and thread, 'cause we're gonna take off like a thoroughbred. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Look at the stars, don't they shining bright? The moon is full, so it's a perfect night. Give me a kiss and close the door, 'cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for. Look at the stars, how they shine so bright. The moon is full and makes a perfect night.